Hey there, welcome to another day of Smoking with Joe. Today I'll show you how to make that perfect smoked pulled pork that'll have everyone at the table literally begging for more. I'll show you exactly how I do it the Bradley way. Oh, and as a special gift, there will be a coupon code for you at the end of the video offering a 10% discount at bradleysmoker.com, so stick around. Okay, so this is actually pretty simple. I start with a regular store-bought, pork butt that has been tied into a roast. It's deboned, but the same process basically applies for bone-in if that's what you prefer. Now, you got to know that this is going to be a long smoke. It's going to take about 8 to 9 hours to get it done right, so don't think you can just throw it into the smoker at 2 in the afternoon and have it ready for dinner. That's probably not going to happen. If you want it by 5, you better plan on having it in the smoker by about 8 a.m. Okay, so I start by slathering on the mustard. Now, you don't want to use the expensive mustard because you'll never taste the difference. It's kind of the glue for holding the rub to the roast. And it also helps to form the bark on the roast when you're smoking it. And for my rub, I use a combination of kosher salt, coarse pepper, and paprika. It's a great combo, and I use about a third. Works great. And I use a shaker to put it on because it makes you look like a pro, right? You get it all nice and even, and it stops it from clumping up. And even though it's called rub, don't rub it in, just pat it on. All right, so the combination of the mustard, the salt, the pepper, and the paprika is going to make a wonderful bark on this roast. All we have to do now is get it into the smoker. Okay, so here I am at the Bradley P10. I'm just going to pop this inside and set her up. All right, so I'm going to set it up for about 9 hours of cook time. It's going to start off at 270 degrees. I'm going to raise the temperature at a certain point. But I'm going to set the smoke time for 6 hours. All right, the smoker's heating up as it should be. We got smoke, we got heat. Perfect. I'll be back in an hour to check in on things. Okay, temperature's doing exactly what it should be doing. Perfect. Okay, so it's been 6 hours in the smoker getting smoked. I've been watching the temperature and measuring temperatures for 6 hours. And now it's time to take it out and seal it in tin foil, then bring it back to the smoker. I tried to seal it off the best I could so no air or steam will get out. It's going to just sit in the smoker now and heat up to 200 degrees, and it's just going to stew. It's just going to melt and turn into butter inside there. So let's get this thing going. Because of past records, I knew that the internal temp was going to reach 200 degrees in about 45 minutes, and it did. So I just turned off the smoker and let it sit there for another hour before opening. Beautiful. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget about the discount coupon Joe Barbecue. That'll get you about a 10% discount at bradleysmoker.com. With the Bradley Smoker, you'll be making pulled pork like this in no time. And by the way, if you liked what you were watching, please subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more videos just like this, so hope to see you there.